To hold your crochet hook and your yarn, you can use either a knife hold or a pencil hold. I'm going to demonstrate both of them here. The knife hold means that you're holding the hook overhand like this, as if you were cutting with a knife. A pencil hold is you're holding it underneath and grasping it like you're writing with a pencil. It doesn't really matter which hold you use. I personally prefer the knife hold, but you can use whichever one feels more comfortable. Now your dominant hand is going to be the one that controls the hook for the entire process of crochet. Your non-dominant hand is what's going to be manipulating and controlling all of your yarn. So what I try to do when I recommend for beginners is it's going to be doing two jobs. So you're going to have to find a way to separate the two jobs in one hand. So what I recommend is what I call the Spock hold. So the Spock hold is when you gently push your index finger and middle finger together, your pinky finger and ring finger together, and then your thumb is free to grasp. What your thumb is going to do is actually grasp with these two fingers here, the ring finger and the pinky, like this. So this is how you want to hold your hand. Your two fingers here are going to be what are called your tensor fingers. These are going to be what's holding the yarn and making sure you're keeping it tighter or looser depending on what you need for your crochet. These three fingers are your stabilizers. What these do is they hold on to the work while you're working to keep it from moving around as you're using your hook to work your stitches. So what does that look like with yarn? So what I would do is if I start my project off, I'm going to create my slip knot here. I would place my hook in that loop, and then my non-dominant hand is going to hold on to all of this at once. So to set it up, we're going to take our hand and go under the yarn and grasp it with the tips of our index finger and our middle finger. Those are our tensor fingers. And you want to get really close to your work and you want it to be at the tip so that you can have control over how tense or how loose your yarn is going to be. Then you're going to use your pinky finger and ring finger and your thumb to grasp your work. So you're going to grasp this knot right here like so. Now I won't lie, this is a bit of an awkward hold. This is not normally how we hold anything in our life. But in order for us to start crocheting, this is the easiest way to make sure you're seeing, oh, this finger set does all my tensing, and this finger set grasps everything, rather than trying to grab everything all at once. So once you have this hand hold mastered, you are then ready to begin your crochet.